Hey guys, I am back with a pea update. Do you remember this guy? That's the Cascadian sweet pea. Look how big that is. And then we've got our little marvel, which is still little but ready to be planted. Remember, we put these in the cups on September 11th. Today is September 28th. So we are going to get these in the ground. Here's our tom thumb. I thought I would show you what I'm going to do to get these out of here while I'm here in the house instead of trying to do this out in the garden. I've mentioned before that pea plants, like all legumes, they do not like to have their roots disturbed. So I put them in the styrofoam cup knowing that I could easily cut the bottom of this away. Okay, so I'm cutting it there. And then I'm also going to just cut just a little. This is just a little paring knife, by the way. Just enough that I can break that. Oh yeah, I see some roots in there. So there we go. So just enough that I can easily break that. It'll make it easier than having to, like, if you had seedlings. That's why you don't really see pea seedlings in the store, because they don't like their roots messed with. It's best to direct sow them. I just did not have time this year because I didn't have a space cleaned in the garden yet. And that's why we did it this way. Peas can handle a little bit of frost, by the way. I forgot to mention that in the first video. They can handle some frost. That's why when I was starting them on September 1st and I said, you know, we needed 60 days and our first frost day, our average first frost day is November 1st here. The reason why that's okay is because they can actually handle down to 28 degrees. And typically in Oklahoma, now knock on wood, but typically we don't see temperatures like that until after Christmas. I'm hoping when I get these guys in the ground and they start taking off that we actually have well over a month of harvest time, at least, maybe even 2 months before they actually die off. So here's to hoping, and we're going to head out and get these in the ground real quick. Okay, so I still do not have a great place to put these in the ground, but I have got to get them in the ground. So these tomato plants have about had it, so they'll be coming out soon. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the peas right in here for now, and then I'll add my TP trellis later after I clean the tomatoes off. It would be a lot better if I'd had time to amend the soil a little bit better, but there has not been time for that, so better to get them in the ground than to not get them in the ground. Okay, so this one's a little marvel. This one over here is going to be the Cascadian. Oh yeah, there's some healthy roots going there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something new, and I hope that it encourages you to go get you some pea plants started, especially if you're in a higher zone than I am, then you still have more time. So, and even if you're in a lower zone, you may still have time to, you could always try it. I hope that you will go the second mile today for somebody in your life and with your resources. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching.